how to log out one Gmail account from your PC or single Gmail sign out from your laptop. So please subscribe to this channel and click on that bell icon for more videos, and you'll be updated for tutorials like this. So to sign out from your PC, we are going to use our phone because this is where the available sign out button is, and I will show you what I mean. So we are going to your Gmail in your phone, click on your account at the top right corner, and then once you click it, go to your Google account or manage Google accounts. And we have a few options here like personal info, data, and privacy, but we are going to go to the security tab. And you can see here the different devices for your Android phone or iPhone and your Windows. Just click on it, and as you can see here, there are two options, and we are going to your PC. So we have here a sign out button. So just simply click on the sign out button and you'll have your Gmail account sign out from your PC. And if you are going here on your phone, so just click on the arrow or the tab. There is no sign out button. That is because if you want to sign out from your phone, just go to your PC and you will see a sign out button. So that's it, guys. I think it is very simple. And if you want to sign out from your device, just go to the other device. Just as if you want to sign out from your PC, just go to your phone. And that's it for this tutorial. And I hope this helps. See you on the next video.